Commissioner and Secretary Kata District Council Affairs, Ba Cyril Diengdoh minta kesengi ke Sautarik urempang arja alpusan, uloong bakidon kishnong, kibashim yakarai ban Pynlong iki common platform, la ai jingbet yaki na marha kita iki platform, la ai la dia baro ki kertong na baro ki party, kinthop iki kertong shimet bakin pinsngo yalaki mat, bat haba kishnong ki rai ban Pynlong iki common platform, habban Burom yakata. Uloong ru bala de batai ki deputy commissioner ban aiktien shabaro ki rangba Shnong ban aila ya baro ki kertong ban Pynlong ya ke jingalap election knang bakan long ke election kabok huai ber kabayat ben.
Clarified that there are some localities which have decided to have a common platform. So be it. They are permitted to have a common platform because in that common platform they are giving equal chance to all political parties, including independent contesting candidates, to come to the common platform and conduct a public meeting. Right? No one is denied. Right? No political party or no contesting candidate is denied to have the meeting in a common platform. For that, we have clarified that yes, if that's a decision of the particular locality, we respect that decision, it is permitted and you can go ahead. The complaint was that in certain localities, perhaps certain parties or political parties are not given the permission. So we have issued an instruction to deputy commissioners to talk to the headman and to all the localities saying that in the interest of free and fair elections, all political parties, including independent candidates, should be given the chance to campaign, of course, after taking due permission.
So you mean not willing to?
Yes, if they decide that they will have only common platform and that is the forum where they want to have for a meeting, yes, correct. Then it becomes a common platform. If they decide that they don't want to have any other meeting apart from the common platform, that is permitted, is what we're saying. We have no problem because the principle is that they have given an equal chance to all political parties and contesting candidates to take part in that common platform. That should be respected so that everyone gets a fair chance to address the public.